Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down one of the most confusing AWS comparison topics, CloudFront versus Global Accelerator. Both improve performance for global users, but they solve very different problems. Let's clear that up in the simplest way possible. What are they? CloudFront is a CDN, meaning it caches your static and streaming content at AWS edge locations. Global Accelerator is not a CDN. It speeds up connections by routing traffic over the AWS global network instead of the public internet. Think of CloudFront as content caching and Global Accelerator as network acceleration. What CloudFront does? CloudFront ports content close to your users, literally storing it at edge locations. This drastically reduces load times for websites, blogs, e-commerce, and streaming applications. Every dynamic content can pass through CloudFront, but no caching happens if it's not cacheable. What Global Accelerator does? Global Accelerator doesn't cache anything. Instead, it routes users through the AWS private backbone network. You also get two static IPs that never change, making deployments easier. And if a region goes down, Global Accelerator automatically redirects users to a healthy region. This table shows the core differences. CloudFront is built for web content. Global Accelerator is built for routing real-time traffic. They complement each other, but they are not interchangeable. Let's discuss use cases. If you are building a website or a streaming platform, use CloudFront. If you are building real-time applications like gaming or VoIP, Global Accelerator. If your backend is multi-region, Global Accelerator again. When not to use each. Don't use CloudFront if you need static IPs. You require multi-region failover. You are handling TCP or UDP traffic. Don't use Global Accelerator if you need caching. Your app is mostly static content. You only serve a single region. Can you use both? Yes. Many companies actually use both. CloudFront improves caching, while Global Accelerator improves routing performance and failover. If you have a large application with global users, combining them makes sense. So the bottom line, CloudFront equals to for delivering content fast, Global Accelerator equals to for routing user traffic fast and reliably. Choose based on whether you need caching or global failover. If this video helped you understand the difference, hit the like button and subscribe for more AWS comparisons. Comment below which AWS service I should cover next.